going to be playing more Scratch games. Welcome to Dabmc. If you're new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. So we're playing this game that is unbeatable, apparently. Tic-tac-toe, classical game. And I bet everyone okay. You know what? That doesn't even matter. Because I'm about to wreck you this round. Nobody has even won this game. Okay. I guess I'm not gonna wreck them now. Nobody in the whole world has won once. I mean, I feel like people should win. Like, come on, it's just a bot. How? That doesn't make sense. Nope. Nope. What the hell? Yep, tie. Yeah, how does this make sense? Can someone please explain to me? Okay, you know what? That was my fault. How can someone not win against a simple guy? See, look at this. There's literally almost like, okay, fine. People, you see, I just increased that amount by like, yeah, who knows? I guess people might have won this game, but instead it's just like, nope, and you can't win. I win. No, you don't. You lose. Nope. Yeah. It's a tie, alright. Let's see, right here, right here, right here. Here. Yep, definitely not there. Yeah, I ain't that dumb, alright. Let's see, here, and here, and it's a tie again. Great, isn't that the best way to end a game? Because I honestly think it is. How many exclamation marks are you gonna put, dude? Dude, this game, the person who created this game was right. This is unbeatable. I mean, look, there's literally 7,389 ties, and I've done 11 losers and 11 ties, but nobody has won, and neither have I. So, yeah, I'm gonna lose. I knew that. Oh my, quit. You know what? Who cares? Because I don't. Who cares? Ow. You know what? I haven't played tic-tac-toe since so long. And yeah, it's a tie. And like I forgot how to play tic-tac-toe. Before, when I was like 6 years old, I used to play tic-tac-toe like a demon. I used to just keep playing tic-tac-toe. Every time my friends would come to my house, and after playing some chess, I'd be like, I'm bored because they just won the game, and then I'm like, you know what? Let's just play some tic-tac-toe. That's all that happened in my house earlier. Early in the days, besides homework, that's all that used to happen. And that's what still happens. Just kidding. It doesn't happen anymore. I have forgotten the rules and I've forgotten the game. So I've forgotten everything that comes in my way. You know what? That rhymes. That was actually a very majestic rhyme. And okay, you know what? This guy, dude. This guy, bro. This guy, I can't believe it. Okay, I just clicked 2-2, and he's like, I win! Yay! Okay, that's you know what? I quit. Big thanks to Master Genius YouTube And for winning and finding bugs that help me improve the algorithm, please tell me. You know what? This best beat the tic tac toe. You know what? Wins. So what did you make? Why did you make? Yeah, that's mathematically impossible, but okay. Bash an apple. I win. And it's like saying, why did you? I don't even know what that says. Yesterday, I win. I tied it, so amazing. I tied like 6 times, but lost 4 times. Sorry, but it's obviously mathematically impossible. Yeah. So if you're trying to win one game of this, you're pretty much wasting your time. Like, come on, dude. 0 people have won in the whole world. And what is this? That's a cool logo, actually. Video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys.